Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your base currency on eToro. So let's get straight into it. So what you need to do is head over here to the settings. So at the bottom left corner, click on it and then click on the display. All right. So now here you can change this display currency right over here. Now, you need to know your currency will show in your portfolio. Samurai trades are still executed in USA dollars. So, by using a single base currency, eToro maintains transparency across its copy trader platform. So, this allows users to trade in 100 different countries to compare their percentage returns and follow popular investors on a level playing field without being confused by fluctuating exchange rates between dozens of different currencies. So because of that, eToro basically use only USDT, USD, sorry. But for this display currency, you can change it however you like here in settings. So you have few options here. So if you don't find it, you have still USD dollar. So I hope this video helped you out, and it is, if it is, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.